In this video, we will cover NHLBI BioData Catalyst powered by PIC-SURE and how to filter on a variable to build a cohort using this platform. PIC-SURE allows you to search for and filter decoded variables in studies within NHLBI BioData Catalyst. This is because PIC-SURE opens the data files and maps them to the data dictionary, saving you time with data preparation. This allows you to start searching and filtering the variables in the PIC-SURE user interface or application programming interface to create your cohort of interest. There are two types of variables in PIC-SURE, categorical and continuous variables. Continuous variables refer to any variables that have a numeric range of values. For example, body mass index with a value range from 10.1 to 40.3 is a continuous variable. Categorical variables refer to any variables that have categorized or discrete values. For example, have you ever had asthma with values yes and no is a categorical variable. Note that the internal PIC-SURE data load process determines the type of each variable based on the data. Though the process for applying a filter to each type of variable differs slightly, the PIC-SURE interface makes it easy to build your cohort. Let's review an example of how to filter each type of variable. In this example, we are going to build a cohort of those who participated in the Framingham Heart Study, known as FHS, with a minimum body mass index of 25, a continuous value, and any categorical value for having smoked, a categorical value. Let's apply our first filter on body mass index, a continuous filter from the Framingham Heart Study. As we can see here, we have searched for the term of interest body mass index. We have also applied the FHS study facet and the continuous facet to narrow down the search results. For more information about finding these variables in PIC-SURE, please review the Finding Variables video. Let's say that we want to filter on the FM537 body mass index variable. From here, we can click on the filter icon, which is shown in the Actions column and resembles a funnel. Clicking on this filter expands a region below the row that shows the filtering options. Here we see input fields labeled minimum and maximum, with the minimum and maximum values within the data displayed. Generally, for continuous variables, we can enter either only a minimum to filter to participants with a greater value than inputted, only a maximum to filter to participants with a lesser value than inputted, both a minimum and a maximum to get a range, or leave both fields blank to include participants with any value. For our example, enter 25 in the minimum field to select participants with a value greater than 25. Then click the plus button to add the filter. When the filter is applied, a panel will be displayed. This shows the number of participants that meet the filtering criteria. Here we can see it is 716 participants. Additionally, we can see that the BMI filter was added in the Filtered Data Summary section. We have now applied a filter to a continuous variable. Let's now apply a categorical filter. We want to find FHS study participants who responded to the question, "Interim history of smoking, smokes cigarettes." As we can see here, we have searched for the term of interest, smoke. We have also applied the FHS study facet and the categorical facet. Again, for more information about finding variables in PIC-SURE, please review the Finding Variables video. Let's say that the variable we want to filter on is FB86, Interim History of Smoking, Smokes Cigarettes. From here, we can click on the filter icon, which is shown in the Actions column and resembles a funnel. Clicking on the filter icon expands the area under the row to show the values that can be filtered. For categorical filters, you have the option to select single values you want to filter by clicking the checkbox, or you can click the Select All to select all values. For this example, we would like to select all values. We can do this by clicking Select All, and then clicking the plus button to add the filter. We've applied the filter to the variable, and the number of participants has changed from 716 to 689. The filtered data summary now shows both the continuous filter on BMI and the categorical filter on smoking status. In this video, we have reviewed how to apply continuous and categorical filters in BDC powered by PIC-SURE. Watch the next video in the series, Editing a Variable Filter, to learn how to edit variable level filters in PIC-SURE.